You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's me again, Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have another Cricut mystery box. I know what you're thinking. Didn't we just have a mystery box? We did. And guess what this one's called? This one is Cricut's Tropical Fusion mystery box. And I know you're like, didn't we just have that mystery box? Well, the one that just came out was Cricut's Tropical Fusion Joy mystery box, but this one has regular size materials in it. So if you missed out on the last box because it sold out so fast, good news, because this one also comes with the new Dreamsicle Cutie. And if you missed out on the last box, I got good news for you, because this one also comes with the new Dreamsicle Cutie. So you have another chance to get this. So here's the side-by-side. On the left is the true orange cutie, and in the middle there is the new Dreamsicle Cutie. The cutie on the right is the coral cutie. And there's also a peach kiss one that I don't have here, but that one is much more peach, where this one's more orange. Now, last two mystery boxes sold out in less than an hour. So if you want to go ahead and purchase, links are in the video description below. We greatly appreciate when you use those, and then you can come back and see what's in the box. But let's go ahead and take a peek at what all is in the Cricut's Tropical Fusion mystery box. Why am I always matching? We're going to get glitter iron-on, and this is the kiwi color, the 12 by 19 inches. So this is the same iron-on that came in the Joy one, but this is regular size. And actually, here's a project I made with the Tropical Fusion Joy mystery box. Everything that I made with the card was inside that mystery box. And that is that pretty kiwi glitter iron-on there. Isn't that pretty? So you're getting 12 by 19 inches of that. I don't know if I said that already. Did I say that already? And we're getting 12 by 48 inches of the Cricut Premium Removable Matte Vinyl, and this is the tangerine color. It's very close here to the color of the cutie. Great summer color. And I love the colors in this. This is Everyday Iron-On, and this is the Tea Party sampler. And you're gonna get three 12 by 12 sheets, so you're gonna get one of each color. You're gonna get the pink, the raspberry, and the white. Ooh, and this is South Party. Oh, there's that word again. Okay, so we're getting premium vinyl, holographic crystal vinyl, and this is the Sensei sampler. But you're going to get three 12 by 12 sheets of this. I'm going to go ahead and take these out so we can see the colors on this. So this comes in three different colors. You're going to look at that. Look at that. How stinking pretty is this? This is the tulip color. This really pretty pink color. It's magical, guys. It's just magical. Holy cow, that's pretty. It don't take a lot to turn me into a 5-year-old, basically. Oh, and I lied. Oops. Actually, let me correct that. Ooh, and correction, they're not 12 by 12 sheets. You're going to get three 12 by 24 sheets of each of these. This is in the silver color here. And then you're also getting this beautiful blue color. Makes me think of Elsa. I don't know why. It makes me think of Frozen. And with the holographic crystals, it weaves so nicely and it doesn't bubble and it's water resistant. So you can put that on glassware too. Actually, that gives me an idea. I think I'm gonna make some and put it on a wine glass and put unicorn juice on it, because holographic makes me think of unicorn. So I think, how cool would that be to make unicorn juice glass? And you're getting the gel pen set in the Origin sampler. So you're going to get 5 pens, one of each color. These are 1.0 markers. And the colors are True Red, Something Blue, Tangerine, Eggplant, and Lemongrass. I love getting these. These are the mixed materials. This is Martha Stewart Platinum Rose Pack. So what's really cool about this is you get several different materials in one pack to try. And in this you're going to get two 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock. So you got one in the light pink and then you get one in the dark pink. Pretty, pretty. And a 12 by 12 of the party foil in this pretty pink. Isn't that fun? And then a 12 by 12 sheet of the premium permanent vinyl in silver. Yeah. And a 12 by 12 of the holographic vinyl in cream. It's called cream, but it's definitely like this orange color that you see here. That's really pretty. It's really pretty. That would look super good too with that tangerine. And to transfer that vinyl, you're getting a 12 by 12 sheet of the Cricut transfer tape. And one more thing we're getting that we can always use. Yes, new mats. 2 of the standard grip 12 by 12 Cricut mats are included also. So this box is available to US and Canadian members only. Sorry, everyone else. But the US box is $59.99, Canadian is $79.99, but you get your access discount on top of it. And because it does come with the cutie, it is an access only box. But below, not only are the links to purchase the box, but there's also links to go ahead and join Cricut Access. And when you click that link to join, it will tell you all the benefits that you get of being an Access member. Being an Access member more than pays for itself, and honestly, I couldn't imagine not having it with Design Space. And I have a couple ideas for projects to make with this actually. I really want to make the unicorn juice glass, but then I also have a wood sign I'm making for my patio to hang out there. And these tropical colors in here are perfect. So be watching for that because I'm going to use some iron-on on the wood and some vinyl on the wood. And yes, you can do that. A lot of people don't know you can use iron-on on wood. Yes, I'm going to paint the wood blank and then we're going to go ahead and put some iron-on on because I really want to use that glitter iron-on. So we'll have that coming out. But thank you guys so much for watching us. We greatly appreciate it. I always love bringing you these mystery box reveals. And I like to just surprise you as we go and reveal. I don't like to show everything at once because I want to be like, what's next? And I did do a tutorial on this card at the end of the Cricut Tropical Joy Fusion mystery box. So if you wanted that, you can go ahead and see how I did that there. And I also made this project public in our Melody Lane Cricut Design Space profile. So you can go ahead and, when I was looking for like a tropical one and I didn't see any with the hibiscuses, and I really like hibiscuses, so I created this one. All right, thank you guys. If you could give us a thumbs up, please leave a comment below. Let us know, did you get the box? Comment, did you get the Tropical Fusion Joy box? It was gone quick. Oh, you know what else I'm gonna put in the links below? In the links below, I'm gonna put the link to our email sign up because you will get an email as soon as those mystery boxes come out. I know people are upset when they miss it. Get on that email as soon as the box is live. We send out that email and it has the link so you can watch the video and you can also purchase the video right from there. And we'll also give you notifications of giveaways and different projects and good sales. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a craftastic rest of your week. Hopefully the weather cools down. I hope. It's just been hot everywhere, so stay cool wherever you are, guys. So you can catch us tomorrow, Friday. If you're watching this on Thursday, you can catch us tomorrow on Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern as we go through image sets. So hopefully you tune in. Until next time, guys, happy crafting, everyone. Bye.